Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently I traveled on Air Canada flight, Air Canada AC 43 from New Delhi to Toronto, the direct flight. So a lot of people have various questions related to pre-departure COVID testing as imposed by the government of Canada. So that is the information I'm going to cover in this video. I'm hopeful this is going to really help you out. So guys, if you go to the government of Canada website, they have put the link, and also if you go to New Delhi airport website, they have also this COVID-19 testing. And for Canada, if you are coming through the direct flight from India, you have to get your COVID test done at that Genstring laboratory within 18 hours of your flight departure time. So this you should keep in mind. So that laboratory, I would tell you where exactly it is located. So if you go to Terminal 3, there is a bridge that connects Terminal 3 to metro station. So if you follow that bridge, once you enter the metro station, it is just towards the right side. Now the good thing is, for Canada passenger, there is a separate section. So there, if you go, like my test was around 8 a.m. in the morning. So when I went, I found so many people waiting for the test. So first I was a little bit anxious that I may need to wait for so long. But what happened when I went inside and I said I have online appointment and it's for Canada, they took me to a different section altogether where there was a board only for passengers to Canada, because the government of Canada is only accepting tests from that lab. So probably that is why they have made this collaboration, which is going to make your life much easier. So definitely my suggestion would be to book an online test. I mean, pay online and register everything you have, like your passport number, flight details, whatever details you have, put it in over there. There are two ways you can do. You can go for RT-PCR test that costs 500, or you can go for rapid PCR test that costs 3900 rupees, Indian rupees, INR. So I went for the rapid because this gives you result within an hour, and who would like to wait more, right? Because you have a lot of anxiety, a lot of things that go in your mind. So I went for the test over there. Like when I reached, I would give you the full information about how you can do. So what I did, I reached Delhi a day before. So I checked in into the hotel and I asked the hotel guys to arrange a car for me for this COVID test. So they arranged a car for me, and the driver was very well aware where exactly this testing was going on, and he actually took me. So he stopped his car between gate number 4 and 5 of the departure of Terminal 3. So now the rule is to park there for 5 minutes. If you park more than that, then that's up. Then the driver is gonna be fined. So he was very careful. So if you stop between 4 and 5, there's an escalator that goes down. So just follow that and it takes you towards the metro gate. Metro bridge gate. If you walk through it, just go to right and say you have an appointment. You will be taken to a desk where they will give you a printout, and there will be some barcodes attached to it, and your sample will be taken. So we too went there for the test. Like I got the result within an hour, the email came, but the other person did not get. So I called and followed up, and they said, yeah, the result is in the system. But we said we haven't got. So they immediately sent one copy for it. So it was done. So that's how simple it is, guys. So it's up to you if you want to select RT-PCR or rapid. Both are being accepted. We were accepted with rapid. What we did, like we had the soft copy in our phone, but also we carried the hard copy. And at the time of airline check-in, they did verify the timing and names and other details, and we were allowed to board the flight. That's how simple it is, guys, and I am hopeful this is gonna help you. So remember the points: book online, pay online, go there. There's a dedicated section for Canada passengers. Make sure you tell them that you are traveling to Canada and you have booked. So they will ask you the flight number. So if you're from Air Canada, say AC43, and if you're from Air India, say the relevant. And they are also aware that you need test within 18 hours. So they are going to ask you this question: when is your flight? When is your flight? Just remember one thing, like not all the staff there speak English. So if you know Hindi, that is gonna help you, definitely. So that happened even in my case. So, and we managed to do it very easily. So I'm sharing this information. So I'm hopeful this is gonna help you out. So thanks for watching this, guys. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and comment. Thank you.